Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. There is a big update from TCS. TCS again announced free NQT. This is phase 2 hiring and last date to apply is 15 November 2021. This is free November NQT and year of passing should be 2021 or 2020. Qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc. Now, how to apply, what is the exam pattern, what is the eligibility criteria, everything I'll discuss in this video. So watch full video for better understanding. So let's get started. When you'll click on the apply link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see this is the official website of TCS. Here you can see this is phase 2 hiring. Here you can see last date to registration is 15 November and this is phase 2 hiring. Here you can read everything. One more important thing, if you will perform exceptionally in the TCS off campus hiring, then you will have chance to get TCS digital offer. Okay, so what is the difference between TCS digital and TCS ninja? I'll make a separate video for okay, but for now let me tell you TCS digital is better than TCS ninja. Okay, so here you can see, when you scroll here you can see test pattern. I'll make a separate video what is the test pattern, but for now you can see there are two parts. In part 1 there will be three sections. Section 1 will be numerical ability. There will be 40 minutes you have to solve, and section 2 will have verbal ability section. For this you will get 30 minutes. Third section will be reasoning ability. You will get 50 minutes. Second part will be programming logic, and you need to solve one programming question in 15 minutes. Total you will get 135 minutes. I'll make a separate video how many questions will be there, everything, don't worry. Now here you can see test eligibility. This is very important. So you should have at least 60% in your 10th, 12th and in your graduation, your highest qualification, everything. Here you should not have any active backlogs. You should not have more than 2 years of education gap, and you should not have more than 2 years of work experience also, because this job is for freshers, not for experienced. And your age limit should be 18 years to and 28 years. Here you can see course type is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MSc. These are all things. Okay, now here how to apply I'll tell in this video, but before that let me tell you very important thing. If you want to work in big MNC, then Relevel is providing a big opportunity. Relevel is the India's first hiring platform where you can get access to the India's finest companies. They also ensure their minimum package of 4 LPA for non-tech roles and 6 LPA for tech roles. People are also getting packages up to 15 LPA as well. So this is very big opportunity. Here you can see there are a lot of companies who trust on this test. This is the exam by Relevel. Here you can see these are all the companies. These are the top companies which hires through Relevel. So if you want to work with these company, give Relevel exam today. And here you can see they are the Relevel achievers. Here you can see they all gave Relevel exam, and they are working big MNCs. So if you want to work in these big MNCs, then just give your one exam, and you need to just give one exam, and based on that exam if you'll score more than 70%, then you will have chance to get interview in big MNCs. After that you will have chance to work in those companies if you will perform well in those interviews. So how to apply or how to give test, just when I'll provide link in the description, when you'll click on that link, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to click here get hired. After that you can choose your dream job. Like if you want to go in business development, you can select this. If you want to go in front end development, you can select this. If you want to go in back end development, you can select this. Suppose I want to go in back end development, then I need to click here select. After that you need to click here book a free slot, book your free slot. After that you need to enter your mobile number. When you enter your mobile number, then you will receive an OTP. Just verify your mobile number. After that you can choose your free slot, okay, based on your availability. So this is the process. So please give this test, okay. And most important part is this test is absolutely free. So give your Relevel exam today. So now let's come back to our topic. Here now I'll tell you how to apply for TCS this job. So this is free NQT. So here you can see there are two steps, two scenarios. If you have already registered, then you need to apply differently. If you have if you did not applied earlier, then you need to create an account. How to apply, let me tell you. First, here you need to click here, registration open. When you click here, then you will be find this page. Here they are giving two options. First one is register now, second one is login. First let me tell you, for register now, okay, when you click here register now, then you will find this page. Let me click here. Yeah, when you click here, then you will be redirected to this page. Here you need to select IT, not BPS, okay, because TCS is providing IT jobs. You are okay. So click here, information technology. This is not a branch, please note, this is not a branch, okay, this is job type category. So click here, select this IT. When you select IT, after that you need to wait. Then you find this page. Here you need to fill these details. Here you can see you need to enter your email ID. After that you need to enter your password also. So after submitting this form, fill all the details. After submitting this form, you will have your email ID and password, and please note down that email ID and that password, because that is very important. So when suppose you have completed this form, you have submitted this form, then you will have your email ID and password. So click here login. Okay, now let me click here. Suppose you have your email ID and password. Now click here registration open. Now close that page. Now after that you need to click here login. Now you don't need to click here register. Okay, now this step is same for both candidates. If you have applied earlier and if you did not apply earlier, now you need to click here login. When you click login, then here you need to enter your email ID and password. Like I am entering my email ID and password. I'll click here login. Here you can see this is my page. Here this is my next step portal. Here actually I already got offer letter from TCS, so here I can't find apply for drive. But in your case there will be an option here left side, apply for drive. Okay, just you need to click here apply for drive, and then you need to enter some details, then submit that form. That's okay. Okay, after you need to click here track my application. Then you need to you can see there will be three options. First one is candidate registration, second one is application received, third one is applied for drive. If in your track my application it's showing applied for drive, it means you are done. Now you don't need to do anything. So you just need to wait. TCS will send you NQT exam link. That's it. Okay, in my case it's showing offer letter generated. There are a lot of options because I already got offer letter from TCS. So this is different thing. So okay, if you have any doubt while applying, so you can ask in comment box, and you can join our telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video and share this video with your friends, so that they can also apply for this drive. And yeah, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.